one of your first mainstream hits, one of your breakout hits for you in your big career was Simma, and that came out in 1997.
Yeah.
All right. Now, in 2021, you have a new album called Simma. All right. 24 years later.
Yeah.
Why did you choose to go with Simma, and why has that song, of all songs you've put out, lasted for so long that has that kind of an impact on your career?
All right, you see, a lot of things that you've done, people don't remember because the young generation don't follow and the older generation don't teach them. Simma is the ideal name of the album because that is a rebirth of the name Simma. And it's something that stuck in everybody's head. It's come like music. If you do a melody that done 25 years ago, it's a familiar sound in everybody's head. So it's automatically a hit song. So I never have an album named Simma. I never have a song named Simma. The song is called Who Am I? You see? So that name is never used yet. So yeah, it's really a refurbished to remind people that yes, the king is still here. So everybody will just Simma. Because yeah, still there, baby. Yes.
Makes sense. And in today's market, do you think like an album, is it a full album or is it an EP?
It's a full album.
Okay. Today's market,
an artist like me can never do an EP.
Mm-hmm.
The EP of your upcoming artists who just come out, where them now sure say he can do an album. But an artist like me can never do an EP. It lets me reintroduce myself, and I don't need to do that. Mm-hmm. Because me never gone away. Is it? So yeah. The album. Yeah.
How many tracks are we looking at on the album?
There'll be a couple tracks, at least 12 tracks. But we make about 60 tracks for the album, so we have to choose. Yeah. Really, to mix the album, the single is going to be released. I think I am premiere the single Sunday. It's my mother's birthday this Sunday. So I'm going to drop it on Zip, to be exact. Rush, DJ Rush, I'm going to make play. But I'm going to drop it online for the people in here too. Yeah. So right now we have the mix. The song is called Fun in the Sun. It's Beenie Man, Popcorn, and J Island. Yeah.
Big. How do you think at this level in your career you still have that ability to link with younger artists, older artists, and still do your thing and not feel like you're trying to fit in, but just fit right in?
Yeah, but you see, I don't do hype. This is a problem. If you're an artist and you're hype, then people are going to dislike. Never you hype. Always try to be yourself so people love you for who you are and not what you have or how much song you have or how big a name is. People will love you for you, respect you for who you are. When a man see anyone can call to you, when your fans them see them can call to you, unless you're tired and sweat or you want a little time to rest and wipe off your face and them thing there, then that is the time where you take time out for yourself. But otherwise, from that, you have to respect people at all times. When people see them call to you, you have to have time to spend. Because as long as the artists them see that, they're not going to respect you because they learn a lot from you. Because you is the reason why they are the man them is today, because they watch all you flex. And them learn from you how to deal with fans, learn from you how to deal with stage show, learn from you how to put themselves together. So each and every one of them young artists are forward after I and I. They're not going to show up. Some of them don't like themselves, so them don't like people. And some of them come in music for the wrong reason. Yeah.
Out of all of your bodies of works that you've done so far, all right, what's the real difference with Simma opposed to every other album that you've put out?
Oh. All right, you see, most of the albums that I put out is made by me, but sometimes management take over because they want Artura Sullivan to play one piano on it, or they want Carlos Santana to play one guitar on it, or they want Go America to find Neptunes, and sometimes the company take over because they know exactly where they want and which direction they want to push the album into. But I don't think companies should take over what the artists know, to be real. I don't think companies should tell us that we can't push dancehall, but we can't push pop. I don't think companies should tell us that dancehall can't sell 3 million. Come on, why shan't Paul do it? You get me? I say, so companies do that enough time. You see it? Because the music, sometimes the music get too popular, so the music are outshine for them music, and music are sell more than for them music. The artists and where them spend the millions span, you would just get 100,000 outshining. You get me? I say, so them always want to shelf your music and keep it on the background, and then them try to own it, change the name and call it other things. And yeah, Justin Bieber do a song for dancehall rhythm, them call it, we call it again. Carry
Trap
the
house.
Rihanna come and say work, and them call it something else. You get what I say? So this is how it is. When people see greatness, them always want to capture greatness. Them capture reggae. You know much white reggae group, you know, in the world from Bob Marley come out. White reggae group like Foolishness, Big Mountain, some other people, some bully for other people. Yes, because even what them name, No Doubt, came out as a reggae group. Them sing more reggae song than pop song. As Sly and Robbie actually produce it. Okay. Yeah, got too much facts now. Let's stop. Yeah. Chuck down over the White House, we can't talk. Yeah, good.
Yeah, so you feel this one you've had this body of work, you have more
different thing, man.
Control and everything.
Is a more all right. You see, you let me have to make music for them too, you know. And then the youth, let me have to teach them which part the music coming from. So you can't just make boom, boom, bang, 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 jump. Because here go on. I am not against trap music. I am not, but I am not for it. See, because trap is hip hop music, and once you start get too deep in it, you become a rapper. See, but just want you them to realize that trap music nice and it can make it popular, but America don't need it because I have it already. What take you across the earth is the original authenticity of Jamaican music. So you have to make dancehall or reggae music, like seriously. Mm-hmm. You see, and you them even know that. So the whole heap of trap music, yes, you're gonna get local popularity, yes, it's gonna play, and a man gonna jump it. But if you want to become the artist that you want to be, like women know they want to be. That's why I tell us, some youth come to the music for the wrong reason. Them come to the music for popularity and show for them style and who can bleach most and all of them things. But that's how music go. You're coming to the music for the love of the music and love the music and respect everything where the music give. Because not because you drive a Benz, you feel like you're hype on that man. Then not because you have a look at one apartment on the road, you feel like you're hype on that man. You need to have legacy in the music. You need to have achievement where people can talk about. Because nobody not talk about the Benz 10 years after them and say, how old Benz you drive? Music, yeah, all music never died. You have to get music for the right reasons. And you have enough man to come to music for the wrong reason. Get a hit song, we feed them for 30 years. And at 30 years after them realize, adapt them children and meditate. And start meditate, Benz and critical. Make more music, make more of the song so you can last more. So you can do a 2-hour performance on stage and people can feel good about themselves. Some people come to music for the wrong reason and to stop it. I have a man DJ in the bathroom and she invites echo back on him sound good. My next thing tomorrow morning, I man line and say, oh, me not business about Beenie Man, I'm about to kill a fool them man, I don't know what them are. And then I hear about him next week. Wrong reasons.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.